In the heart of Aba, southeast Nigeria, lies a place that reflects the challenges of our healthcare system, Aba Railway Health Center. This place has faced despair for far too long. Come on in. But despair is not the end of the story. It's the beginning of change. This once thriving center now stands in a state of utter despair and neglect. Voices from this building speaks neglect, abandonment, and decay. But amid the ruins within these walls, there are heroes, staff members, health workers, who are dedicated to their mission despite the challenges encountered. But for this center, in the midst of despair, there is hope. So patients come here with hope in their hearts, seeking the care they deserve. For many, this place represents despair, lack of access to quality health care, and a system that is struggling. The railway travelers and the community around deserves better. Together, we can bring this center back to life with modern healthcare facility and quality care. In the heart of Abia State, a vital lifeline struggles to survive. Aba Railway Health Center. Let us transform this despair into a beacon of hope. Together, we can make this vision a reality. Thank you.